Hey guys, right now we're in Iowa. How you doing? I'm okay, man. Rest area in Iowa. Here you go, guys. I just want to record a short video for you. Yeah, as you can see here, it's very nice. Kind of decorated. Sometimes it's good, guys, to go on the rest area instead of truck stop, because it's actually saving you a lot of time. So that way, you know, you can actually save a lot of time. For example, that's what it says in Iowa rest area. It's kind of nice here, fresh, not as busy, not a lot of truck stop. I mean, not a lot of trucks here, and it's nice. Oh, okay. Alright, guys, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and drive safe out there. Bye bye.